Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the dividend compounding math model for reaching seven-figure wealth. To begin with, the main goal of this model is simple. Build a portfolio worth $1 million or more over time. This may sound like a very large target, but dividend compounding breaks it into smaller, repeatable steps. For example, if a portfolio reaches $1 million and earns an average dividend yield of 3.5%, it can potentially generate around $35,000 per year in dividend income. That income can support financial freedom, retirement planning, or long-term wealth building. Now, before calculating the future value, we need to choose the core inputs. In this example, we start with a portfolio value of $10,000. Then, we add a monthly investment of $900. Next, we assume an average dividend yield of 3.5% and annual price growth of 5.5%. When these two are combined, the estimated total return becomes around 9% per year. With all dividends reinvested, the time horizon to approach seven-figure wealth is about 24 years. After that, we need to understand how the compounding engine works. First, you invest money into dividend-paying assets. Then, those investments generate dividends. Instead of spending those dividends, you reinvest them back into the portfolio. As a result, you buy more shares. Those additional shares can then earn even more dividends in the future. This creates the dividend snowball effect, where more shares lead to more dividends, and more dividends help buy even more shares. Next, let's look at the easy math model behind this process. The future value formula includes two main parts. The first part grows the starting investment over time. The second part grows the monthly contributions as they are invested regularly. In the formula, R means the annual total return, and T means the number of years. So, in this example, the total return is estimated by adding the 3.5% dividend yield and the 5.5% long-term price growth. Together, they give an estimated 9% annual total return. Then, we can see how the portfolio may grow over time. At year 0, the portfolio starts at $10,000. By year 5, it may grow to around $79,000. By year 10, it may reach around $184,000. By year 15, it may grow to around $343,000. By year 20, the portfolio may reach around $594,000. Then, around year 24, it may approach $998,000. By year 25, it may cross around $1.09 million. This growth path shows an important lesson. In the early years, the growth may feel slow because the portfolio is still small. However, as the years pass, the growth curve becomes steeper. That happens because the portfolio is earning returns on a larger base, while monthly contributions and reinvested dividends continue adding more shares. Therefore, patience becomes one of the most powerful parts of the model. Moreover, there are several ways to speed up the journey. Increasing monthly contributions can make a big difference because more money is added to the compounding engine. Reinvesting every dividend also helps because it keeps the money working instead of removing it from the portfolio. In addition, focusing on quality dividend growers may support both income growth and portfolio growth over time. Keeping fees and taxes low is also important because costs reduce the amount that can compound. Finally, staying invested for the long term gives compounding enough time to work properly. At the same time, it is important to remember that this is only an educational illustration. Real market returns can change from year to year, and dividends are not guaranteed. Some years may produce strong growth, while other years may be flat or negative. That is why investors should focus on long-term consistency, diversification, risk management, and realistic expectations. So, the final takeaway is that reaching seven-figure wealth is not only about starting with a large amount of money. It can also come from steady contributions, reinvesting dividends, and allowing long-term compounding to work over many years. Small monthly investments, when combined with time and discipline, can grow into a $1 million portfolio. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.